Are you ready to explore how asking questions can demonstrate genuine interest? This presentation outlines key techniques and benefits of asking questions, from open-ended to follow-up types. Discover how engaging inquiries can enhance communication and build stronger connections. Asking questions is a powerful way to show you are truly interested in the conversation. It helps build trust, strengthens relationships, and encourages others to share more openly. By engaging with questions, you demonstrate active participation. This approach fosters an environment of open communication. Ultimately, it leads to more meaningful interactions. There are different types of questions you can use. Open-ended questions invite detailed responses, closed-ended questions can clarify facts, and follow-up questions show you are paying attention. Each type serves a unique purpose in a conversation. Understanding these can enhance your communication skills. Knowing when to use each type is key. Open-ended questions usually start with words like what, how, or why. They encourage the other person to share more information and explain their thoughts or feelings. These questions open the door to deeper discussions. They allow for more elaborate answers. As a result, you gain better insights into the speaker's perspective. Closed-ended questions can be answered with a simple yes or no. They are helpful for getting specific details or confirming information. These questions are straightforward and to the point. They are ideal for situations requiring clear and concise answers. Use them when you need quick clarification. Follow-up questions demonstrate that you are listening closely and want to understand more. They help keep the conversation going and show genuine curiosity. By asking follow-up questions, you dig deeper into the topic. This shows that you value the speaker's input. It also encourages more detailed responses. Questions can break down barriers and foster trust. They create a space where both parties feel heard. This leads to stronger, more collaborative relationships. Clarity and patience are key. This approach invites honest and open dialogue. Avoid asking too many questions at once and steer clear of questions that sound judgmental. Always let the other person finish before you respond. This prevents miscommunication and ensures clarity. Respectful questioning fosters better understanding. It also enhances the quality of the interaction. Here are some examples of good questions that show interest and encourage deeper conversation. What do you think about this idea? Or, how did that make you feel? These questions invite thoughtful responses. They show that you value the other person's perspective. Asking such questions can enrich your interactions. Practice asking questions in your daily conversations. Notice how people respond and adjust your approach to improve your skills. Reflect on the effectiveness of your questions. This helps in honing your ability to engage others. Consistent practice leads to mastery over time. You can use questions to demonstrate interest in various settings such as meetings, one-on-one talks, or group discussions. Each situation may require a different approach. Being adaptable is crucial. Tailor your questions to fit the context. This ensures effective communication across different environments. Your body language matters when you ask questions. Maintain eye contact, nod to show you're listening, and use a friendly expression. These nonverbal cues complement your words. They reinforce the sincerity of your questions. This combination enhances the overall communication experience. Encourage others to ask questions by inviting them to share and responding positively. This creates a safe space for open communication. Positive reinforcement encourages more interaction. It shows that you value their input. This openness leads to a more inclusive dialogue. Don't be afraid to ask questions, even if you worry about looking uninformed. Remember, asking questions shows you care and want to learn. Overcoming hesitation is part of the learning process. Confidence grows with practice. Embrace the opportunity to engage and discover more. To summarize, asking questions is a great way to show interest and build better relationships. Use different types of questions and keep practicing to improve. Remember, practice makes perfect. Each question is an opportunity to connect. Embrace this skill for more meaningful interactions. Let's practice. Think of a recent conversation and write down 2 open-ended questions you could have asked. Try using them in your next discussion. This exercise helps you reflect on your questioning style. It encourages continuous improvement. Congratulations! You now know how to ask questions that show genuine interest. Keep practicing these skills to become an even better communicator. Your efforts will lead to more engaging conversations. Continue to refine your approach. Success comes with persistence.